students are also becoming more diverse. But faculty, particularly in the STEM fields, are not. Something's got to change. And I would suggest that the one change that needs to be made is diversification of our faculty who teach in STEM.
The ultimate vision for Aspire is to broaden the participation in the workforce for STEM. And there are really two levers of change that the Alliance is taking advantage of to try and move the needle. One of them is the faculty, who are the folks who teach STEM students and ultimately determine whether underrepresented STEM students persist or not. And the second really is institutional culture and the academic leaders whose vision and action set institutional culture and ultimately determine how successful STEM faculty can be in helping underrepresented students to persist in STEM.
Aspire is comprised of 6 teams. 3 of those teams, which we call the change teams, are the institutional change team, the regional change team, and the national change team. But wrapped around that are the research team. We have an evaluation team which is focused on both formative evaluation and summative evaluation. And then last, all of this is supported by a backbone.
This is an opportunity for us to try to affect change, try to leverage the change that's already going on all around us in this ecosystem.
Collective impact allows us an approach where we can work across multiple sectors.
iChange is working as a part of the Aspire Alliance to really look at what's happening in institutions of higher education in terms of inclusive hiring and retention and advancement of faculty, but also deepening faculty practice in inclusive teaching and mentoring. Another part of the iChange activity is to develop leaders from underrepresented groups. And to that end, we've developed a program called iAspire, which is a leadership academy.
We have 4 regional collaborators, one in Iowa, which is really focusing on some of the challenges some of our rural community colleges have. We have 2 in Texas, and then we have 1 in Southern California. And in Southern California, their emphasis is a lot on the adjunct side of this pathway.
We looked at the various roles that faculty take, their advisors, their mentors, research mentors, their teaching, and what are the skills that they need in each of those areas that support inclusive practices. So another initiative that the National Change is doing is our pool building initiative, where we're working with other organizations to find ways to kind of increase the recruitment, the hiring, and the retention for underrepresented minority faculty.
We are conducting 2 social science research projects, with one that is focused largely on institutions that are engaging deeply in the iChange network. And then one project is focused on institutions that are deeply engaged in the regional collaborative effort.
There's a difference between what Aspire can actually do and what Aspire can cause to happen, and how Aspire can work with others to actually achieve your goals.